over 75 civil society groups has decried what they call judicial misconduct in Niger State, demanding urgent intervention by the National Judicial Council and the Chief Justice of Nigeria. That is what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime we have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, this channel received a statement, a press statement issued by over 75 civil society groups that have decried judicial misconduct, alleged judicial misconduct in Niger State, and are demanding urgent intervention by the National Judicial Council and the Chief Justice of Nigeria. What is this all about? That is what we're going to look at. What is it that they are alleging about Niger State judiciary? Let us look at what they have to say. The coalition of national civil society organizations, CNCSOS, representing over 75 civil society organizations, human rights groups, community-based organizations, CBO, among others, committed to justice, rule of law, and institutional accountability across Nigeria, issues this statement to express grave concern over a series of disturbing judicial developments unfolding in Niger State. Specifically, we are compelled to bring to national attention the actions and inactions of Justice Bilkisu Yusuf of the High Court of Niger State, Minna, which have raised questions over judicial integrity and potential miscarriage of justice in an ongoing land dispute case. Justice Yusuf took her illegality to the extreme by looking into the sunny face of the Court of Appeal by refusing to stay proceedings even when an appeal over the subject matter has been filed before the Court of Appeal, and the court has already started sitting on the matter, thereby creating what is in judicial circles described as head-on collision with the Court of Appeal. In suit number NSHC/MN/247/2004, filed by Homefronts Consultants Limited and other Foundation Mera and others, Justice Yusuf has conducted proceedings in a manner that appears inconsistent with the core principles of impartiality and due process. At the center of this controversy is a valuable parcel of land situated along David Road in Minna, for which Foundation Mera holds a valid certificate of occupancy issued over 30 years ago by the state government without any revocation to date. Foundation Mera has consistently met its statutory obligations by paying ground rent running into millions of naira. We have verified the authenticity of the certificate and corresponding receipts. The land in question has since become the site of a multi-billion naira investment, a modern international shopping mall constructed by the defendants with investments exceeding 20 billion naira. Despite this, and with matters still pending before the court, Justice Yusuf is reported to have allowed the plaintiffs to erect residential structures on portions of the land originally designated for parking spaces for the mall. This blatant act of possession, allegedly encouraged by the court's inaction or complicity, undermines both the integrity of the litigation process and the rights of the defendants. More troubling, however, is Justice Yusuf's disregard for the authority of the appellate court. The first and second defendants, after facing continuous obstruction in calling witnesses to support their case, filed a motion requesting the recusal of the judge to allow for reassignment. This motion was summarily dismissed. Following this, the defendants proceeded to file an appeal at the Court of Appeal, registered as appeal number CA/ABJ/PRE/ROA/CV/1392/MI/2024, challenging both her refusal to recuse and the denial of their right to a fair trial. Despite being officially notified of this pending appeal and the fact that the appellate court commenced proceedings on January 22, 2025, with documented records available, Justice Yusuf has brazenly continued with the hearings on the same matter. In the lower courts, has continued with hearings on the same matter in the lower court. Legal experts agree that once an appeal on the subject matter has been filed and proceedings have commenced at the Court of Appeal, the lower court is constitutionally bound to suspend any further action. Justice Yusuf's decision to forge ahead in defiance of this principle amounts to what is known in the legal parlance as a judicial collision with the Court of Appeal. This is not an isolated incident. The CNCSOs has confirmed that Justice Yusuf currently faces multiple petitions before the National Judicial Council, NJC, including one relating to suit number NSHC/MN/727M/2024, Amatula Chido Jumia versus Mr. Samuel Ghana and Anna, in which the judge also proceeded with hearing despite the matter being under appeal. One such petition was received by the NJC Secretariat in Abuja on February 14, 2025 at 11:24 a.m. These patterns raise serious questions about the judge's regard for the rule of law and judicial hierarchy. The actions of Justice Yusuf do not only endanger the outcome of the specific case in question, but also tarnish the sanctity and public perception of the judiciary in Niger State and Nigeria at large. The judge's conduct strikes at the very heart of the trust the Nigerian people must have in our justice system to be fair, unbiased, and respectful of judicial procedure and appellate authority. Accordingly, we call for the following immediate action. 1. The National Judicial Council, NJC, must investigate the conduct of Justice Bilkisu Yusuf with urgency and take appropriate disciplinary action where necessary to restore public confidence in the judiciary. The Chief Judge of Nigeria, the Chief Judge of Niger State, whose administrative record has been rightly earned commendations, should act decisively to reassign suit number NSHC/MN/247/2014 to a different judge whose impartiality and professional ethics are unquestionable. Number 3, the Chief Justice of Nigeria, CJN, whose reform-oriented leadership and commitment to the rule of law we deeply respect, is hereby respectfully urged to intervene in this matter. We call upon her to ensure that justice is not only done, but is seen to be done in this case. We believe that her leadership is vital in guiding the NJC and protecting the credibility of the judiciary from erosion due to rogue behaviors by a few within the ranks. Let it be known that our call is not merely in defense of the rights of the defendants in the suit in question, but in defense of every Nigerian who depends on the courts as the final hope for justice. A judiciary that is not accountable endangers the very fabric of our democracy and peace. We remain hopeful that this matter will be addressed with the seriousness it deserves, and that the rule of law will prevail without further delay. The statement was signed by Alhaji Ale Abacha, National Secretary, Coalition of National Civil Society Organizations, CNCSOs. That is the statement from this group, drawing attention to what they perceive to be act of misconduct in judiciary in Niger State, and calling the attention of the NJC, calling the attention of the Niger State Chief Judge to look into this matter to ensure that there will be no miscarriage of justice. I don't know what you think about this, but whatever is your position about the issues raised by this organization, these civil society groups, whatever you think about it, you just let us know at the comment section. What do you think about the allegations they made and the issue of miscarriage of justice they are alleging if this case is not reassigned? Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.